the Rivers State governor has not failed the people of Rivers State, in particular the Obio-Akpor local government, since after he has been elected as the governor of our state. We advise the Nigerian police to be professional in their conduct and remain neutral in all they do as concerned Rivers State. We want also use this medium to call to our son, the former governor of Rivers State, Chief Barrister Wike, to allow peace reign in Rivers State. And that Obio-Akpor local government has ruled for 8 years, and that we are here to support the other tribe, the Riverine, to do the tenure of 8 years.
There are a lot of people, both traditional rulers, women group, that have given us the mandate to come here and say this thing on behalf of them. We are saying that the people of Obio-Akpor, we are not greedy, we are not wicked, we are law-abiding people. And we resolved over time, even before now, followed in the campaigns to elect Fubara. And he's going to rule completely. Nobody will stop him. Not even those paid individuals. But thank God that they are now former House of Assembly members. The ones of Obio-Akpor are now former. And the party at the national level have directed that the needful should be done, that they should conduct another election so that we fill in new persons that will take over their position. That is our resolve. And we are going to follow it to the latter. After this communique now, the next action will be sensitizing our people in all the communities to ensure that, following the law, that we have representatives in the assembly, in the state assembly. That is our resolve. And we are happy that our people have resolved like this and asked us to come and communicate to the world.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.